connect to the Wi-Fi, but also
Now you should be set for a couple of months before you need to charge your doorbell again. With limited space for a grill and a broken air fryer, I was really excited about the Ninja XL 6-in-1 indoor grill that I got from Overstock. Chicken nuggets and fries are a major staple in our house, so the air crisper function is a must-have for us. It creates the crispiest fries I've ever been able to make. I also learned from someone on Instagram that making a grilled cheese sandwich with the air crisper setting is the best way to do it. Trust me, it's amazing. Have you ever not wanted to turn on your oven to make a quick frozen meal, but the microwave just doesn't taste the same? I can bake a quick lunch in here in half the time of the oven, and it tastes even better. And the best part, all the pieces are dishwasher safe and aren't going to take up the entire bottom section of your dishwasher. Get your space-saving multi-use kitchen gadgets at overstock.com.
Me? Obsessed with you? Yes. Yes, I am.
Hello everyone, it's Claire here at Beckelsang Handicrafts, and I'm going to be talking to you today about the large format brother quilters. So we start with the entry level in this range of the 1100. So you've got the large format, you've got the extra space under the throat on all these machines are the same size as one another, you just get more features as we go along in the range. So we start with the 1100, then we move to the 1300, which is the first brother machine to have sideways feed. So the machine will feed perfectly sideways and backwards in a continuous line until you tell it to stop. And then we jump up to the full machine in the range, the third one with the 1800, and your 1800 is equipped for quilting, so you get your extension table with the machine and all your quilt accessories, so your 1/4 inch foot, your walking foot, your free motion foot, so it's equipped fully for quilting. It also has sideways feed, and it is the first one in the set to have the press foot raise button. So this button here raises and lowers your press foot for you, so you don't have to reach through to grab hold of the foot lever bar at the back. So that is the 1100, 1300 and 1800. I hope this has been useful, and keep watching for more videos when I do some using these machines. Take care everyone, bye!
Okay, you guys, if you know us, you know we're a golfing family, and you guys have to check out this rangefinder from Red Tiger. The magnet on this thing is so strong, it magnets straight to the cart. Okay, check this out, and look how far this golf cart is, just to kind of see how it locks in on it. It has 7 times magnification, slope compensation. Here's another quick video we were hitting from the white tee. It locks it down at 142.2. If you're a golfer, you need to check this rangefinder out.